Did you watch the opening show of the Big Bang Tours in South Korea yesterday?
Yes, I saw many live videos from Going Stadium all over social media last night.
More than 40,000 fans came together to celebrate their 20-year milestone.
The yellow sky right before the concert started looked truly magical and emotional.
The three members appeared on stage wearing elegant white suits and bright-colored hair.
Their style matches their newest music video that was just released 2 days ago.
They sang all of their classic hits like Fantastic Baby, Loser, and Lies.
Every song brought back wonderful memories for fans who grew up listening to them.
The biggest highlight of the night was during their performance of the song Tonight.
G-Dragon picked up a guitar and smashed it hard against the stage floor again.
It has been 15 years since he last broke a guitar during this song.
The last time he did this famous move was in Japan in May 2011.
I remember watching that move on weekly music shows like Inkigayo and Music Bank.
The crew had to buy many brand new acoustic guitars for every single show back then.
Breaking real instruments on stage is quite expensive, but it creates pure rock star energy.
It leaves a deep impression on the audience that people remember for decades.
Do you think breaking guitars is a good artistic choice or a waste of money?
In my opinion, it is a very powerful performance element that builds great excitement.
I agree that the emotional impact on 40,000 fans makes it worth the cost.
Artists often invest big budgets into special effects to create unforgettable live concert moments.
Now, Vietnamese fans are very excited because this tour is coming to Hanoi in October.
People are already discussing how difficult it will be to buy tickets online.
Concert tickets can sell out within minutes when famous international artists visit Vietnam.
We need to make a solid plan if we want to get good seats together.
Should we try to buy the expensive VIP tickets or choose standard seated tickets instead?
VIP tickets give a closer view of the stage, but they cost a lot of money.
Standard seats are much cheaper and still allow us to enjoy the live atmosphere fully.
That is a wise trade-off between having fun and saving our monthly living budget.
We should also prepare our light sticks and practice singing the fan chants before October.
Singing along with thousands of people in a big stadium is always an unforgettable experience.
I hope G-Dragon will smash another guitar on the stage in Hanoi as well.
If he does that in Hanoi, the whole stadium will definitely scream very loud.
Let us check the official ticket sales schedule online today so we do not miss it.
Good idea. I will set a reminder on my phone right now.
Which song from Big Bang do you love the most when they perform live?
I really love Haru Haru and If You because the slow melodies touch my heart deeply.
Those ballad songs are very beautiful, but upbeat songs like Bang 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 bring crazy energy.
Dancing to upbeat music with thousands of other fans helps relieve all daily work stress.
Attending live music concerts is definitely one of the best ways to relax on weekends.
I totally agree with you, so we must make every effort to get those tickets.
Let us also look for nice hotel rooms near My Dinh Stadium early before prices increase.
Hotel prices near the concert area always go up very fast when big events happen.
Booking early is a smart decision that saves us both time and extra travel money.
I will search on travel apps tonight and compare the best available room prices for us.
Thank you so much. I will prepare our payment cards and fast internet connection for ticketing.
We will have a fantastic time watching our favorite legendary group perform live in Hanoi.
20 years in the music industry is a very long journey for any pop group.
Their dedication to stage performance is why they remain so popular after all these years.
I cannot wait until October arrives so we can sing along at the concert.
It will surely be an unforgettable night filled with great music and pure joy.
Let us stay updated on all official announcements from the organizers this week.
I will send you any new updates as soon as they post them online.
Great! Let us work hard today so we can enjoy the concert without any worries.
That is the spirit. Everything is going to be amazing.
I am so happy that we share the same passion for live music shows.
Sharing these special concert moments with good friends makes life much more colorful.
I will see you later today to review our ticket buying plan.
See you later. Have a great and productive day.
Do not forget to keep your phone battery fully charged for the ticket sale.
I have my phone and laptop ready on my desk right now.
We will definitely get those tickets and see G-Dragon perform live.
I believe we can do it. Talk to you very soon.
Goodbye for now, and let us get ready for the big show.
Goodbye and take good care of yourself today.
I will send you the seat map as soon as it is released.
Thank you. That will help us pick our target seats quickly.
Quick teamwork is the key to winning ticket sales every single time.
We make a great team and we are ready for it.
Listening to their songs again this morning gave me so much energy.
Music has a magical way of making any normal day feel exciting.
Let us count down the days until the concert date in October.
The days will fly by quickly and we will be there soon.
I cannot wait to see all the yellow lights fill the night sky.
It will be a night that we will remember for a very long time.
Have a wonderful morning and let us talk again this evening.
Sounds perfect. Have a great morning and talk to you tonight.